Hello, my name is Hamad and welcome to Nural Code Day 6. Today we continue our journey. If you are new to this channel, make sure to start from day 1 because all videos are somehow connected to each other. Anyhow, let's start this video. In this video we will start by giving you the introduction to if statements and forced unwrapping. You can use an if statement to find out whether an optional contains a value by comparing the optional against null. You can perform this comparison with the equal to operator or not equal to operator. We also have other operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. These operators, we will use them inside the condition in if statements. So how it looks. There is a reserved keyword in the compiler. If we hit enter, it will ask for condition. So the first question, we will check whether optional value has value and it's not null. So optional value not equal to null. In this case, we are checking if optional value is not null. If it's not null, we will print has value. Okay, let's hit run and nothing. Why is that? Because optional value is assigned to null before, which means it's null. Okay, so let's check else if let value equals to optional value, print value. Okay, hit run and nothing. If statements in this example, first we checked optional value, it's not null and it's null, so it goes to another case, else if let value equals to optional value, and here we need to make sure that value equals to optional value when it has value. When it has value, we need to use it. Okay, so in this example, we just to make sure, we need to have guarantees that optional value has value. Else we will print optional value is null. Because we know optional value is null, it should print optional value is null. Great. Now let's do something. Optional value equals to Hamad. Okay, now can you guess if it will print here or here or here? Let's see. Since we have optional value, the first case will succeed. Okay, but if we say equals to null, it will fail and it will print the value, which is Hamad, and this is if statements. Next, we have arithmetic operators. Now it will be mathematics, okay, but don't worry, it will be simple math. So we have operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so let's use one by one. So if you want to say, okay, 1 plus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, 3 multiplied by 5, 4 multiplied by 2. Okay, hit run. So it will add 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 minus 1 equals to 1, 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15, and 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. It's funny to say that, but the addition operator is also supported for string concatenation. In this example, let's add two strings. Okay, let text equals to Hamad, okay, plus Fuad. And now let's see the value. Hamad Fuad. Very simple. So we use this to add multiple strings in one constant. Next we have the remainder. The remainder operator. We will say, okay, 9 modulus 4. It should give us 1. Yes. So in here, to help you understand the mathematics behind it, so we will do, okay, how much it will remain after you add 4 to the 9. So let's give you an example. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. And now, how much left? Can you add 4? Of course not. So what's left is 1, and the remainder is 1. Very simple. Next, if you have var a equals to 1, okay, and you need to add, so you say a plus equals to 2, and now the value of a equals to 3. And why is that? Because it will copy the value of a, which is 1, and it will add 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Very easy. Now the other example is similar to the if statement. If a greater than 1, print yes, else let's say no. Okay, now can you guess, is it a greater than 1? Let's see. Yes. In this example, a, it was equals to 1. However, then we added 2 plus 1, and now it's equals to 3. So a, which is a 3, is a greater than 1.